Greetings to everyone. I am Yasmin Kitvolyariel from BEF 2H2, and today we are going to tackle about how technology in Finland integrates education. So, with its reputation as a powerhouse of innovation, Finland offers plenty of opportunities for professionals who want to make the world a better and a smarter place. Let us now proceed the facts about Finland. So, do you know that Finland ranks among the world's top 10 most innovative countries? And also, in the 70s, Finns have invented the heart rate monitor. And a few years ago, it was the first country to deploy a 5G network. And they are also one of the Europe's highest shares of registered vehicles. Finland is renowned for its progressive approach to education and technology integration. So the country has been a leader in creating innovative educational environments that effectively incorporate technology. Next, Finland's world-class educational system. An innovation in and of itself is the foundation of the country's cutting-edge research and innovation. So with affordable daycare and free schooling for children from preschool through university. Next is Finns are not highly educated but tech-savvy, forward-thinking, and well-equipped to make positive societal contributions. So I have provided here some of the technologies in Finland, which are digital infrastructure, learning platforms and tools, and smart classrooms. Let us go deeper to digital infrastructure first, which has high-speed internet and device programs. So, high-speed internet supports the use of various digital tools. Since Finland has widespread access to high-speed internet, which supports the use of various digital tools in schools and homes. Next is the device programs. They provide individual devices. So many schools in Finland provide individual devices to students, such as tablets, laptops, ensuring that every student has access to digital resources. Second is the learning platforms and tools. They have Moodle and other LMS and educational apps. So, Moodle and other LMS, schools often use learning management system. So, schools in Finland often use learning management systems like Moodle to facilitate online learning, manage coursework, and track student progress. Next is the educational apps. So, there are plethora of Finnish-developed educational apps and software that cater to various subjects and age groups. And lastly, the smart classrooms, which have interactive whiteboards and learning analytics. So, interactive whiteboards, these allow for dynamic presentations and collaborative learning. So, there are many classrooms in Finland are equipped with interactive whiteboards that allow for dynamic presentations and collaborative learning. Next is the learning analytics. This helps teachers to tailor their instructions. So, these tools analyze student performance data to help teachers tailor their instruction to meet individual needs. Let us now proceed to integration in Finland technology to education. We have curriculum pedagogy, teacher training, student-centered learning, assessment and feedback, And lastly, the parental involvement. Let us discuss first the curriculum and pedagogy that have 21st century skills and blended learning. So, 21st century skills, Finnish education emphasizes the development of digital literacy and other 21st century skills. So, technology there is used to enhance these skills through project-based and inquiry-based learning. Next is the blended learning, combining online and offline activities. Blended learning approaches are used to provide flexible and personalized education. Second is the teacher training that have professional development and collaboration and sharing. First, we have professional development. Finnish teachers receive training on integrating technology in their teaching practices. So, they have continuous professional development that ensures teachers must stay updated with the latest tools and methods. Next is the collaboration and sharing. Teachers are encouraged to collaborate and share best practices. So, teachers in Finland are encouraged to collaborate and share best practices regarding the use of technology to foster a supportive learning community. The third one is the student-centered learning that have personalized learning and engagement and motivation. So first, we have the personalized learning. So technology enables personalized learning experiences. In this integration, students can progress at their own paces and receive tailored support based on their needs. Next is the engagement and motivation. So, interactive and multimedia resources often make learning more engaging and motivating for students. The fourth one is the assessment and feedback that have digital assessments and portfolio systems. So, digital assessments has various digital tools that is used for formative and summative assessments. These provide immediate feedback to students and helping teachers monitor progress. Next is the portfolio systems. Digital portfolios allow students to showcase their work and reflect on their learning journey. Lastly is the parental involvement that have communication platforms and educational resources. Communication platforms use digital platforms to keep parents informed about their child's progress and involve them in educational process. Next is the educational resources. Parents can access resources and tools to support their child learning at home. So, taking everything into the account, Finland is a nation with passion for learning and equality. Finns believe everyone should have access to high-quality education. Finland's approach to integrating technology in education is thoughtful and balanced, ensuring that technology enhances rather than dominates the learning experiences. So, my report focused on using technology to support and enrich traditional teaching methods, making education more engaging, effective, and personalized. Thank you, that's all.